Welcome back for another Solana price prediction analysis, and in this video I will be sharing my next price targets here on the Solana chart, give you areas that you need to continue holding here on the charts, and also give you reasons as to why I believe that Solana could see a break above the $30 mark in the next coming hours or maybe days. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, we are holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, and if I zoom out on the charts, you can see that after seeing our 10th of June lows at around the $12.95 mark, we have been gearing up, impulsively obeying the Elliot structures, where we have now peaked in the formation of this wave 1, seen a breakdown move in the formation of that wave 2, then seen another massive pump in the formation of that wave 3, in a breakout move that has now given us a high at around the $32.3 mark, which is a move that has also fully maximized minimum target areas for the third wave, which I came up with by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that gave me a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, which is an area that we fully maximized, and even fully maximized the fib level 2.618 at around the $28.38 mark. And since we have a high in place for the third wave, whatever we expected next was a bit of a corrective structure in the formation of a wave 4, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave, that is the second wave, to the high of that wave 3, I got a minimum target area for the third wave between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5, which is the area between the $26.02 mark and the $24.07 mark, which is an area that we are just about to fully maximize. And in case further breakdown continues here on the Solana chart, this is the area that I'm expecting Solana to fully maximize and continue holding within, so that we can expect our massive bounce to the upside soon in the formation of this wave 5. So in case further breakdown continues, these are my breakdown targets between the $26.03 mark and the $24.16 mark. And once we have a low in place for the fourth wave, then Solana is going to give us a reaction of this target area. See a break above resistance at around the $26.88 mark, maybe get a successful retest, continue gearing up, and see a break above the $32.2 mark. And the moment you manage to break above that high, then that is enough confirmation that we have now started an impulse in the formation of this wave 5, and giving you minimum target areas for the fifth wave by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of that wave 3. I have a minimum target area at the fib level 0.618, and that is at around the $35.49 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect that fifth wave to the upper side to do. And that is what I'm expecting on the short term. And those are my breakdown targets and areas that we need to continue holding here on the charts. And a breakout of that yellow target area, we can see further breakdown here on the charts. And to also give you my long-term analysis from the 10th, that is from the December lows, where we saw this massive bounce to the upside, giving us a high at around the $26.88 mark, completing the formation of that first wave to the upside. Then we started a breakdown move in the formation of a wave 2 into the minimum retracement areas highlighted on the charts using this yellow target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78 by connecting the fibs from the December lows to that high at around the $26.88 mark, which is an area that we have now fully maximized, and we have seen a reaction of that in what could be the start of an impulse in the formation of this wave 3. And because of the impulsiveness in the formation of that wave 3, I'm also expecting Solana to give us a 5-wave structure in formation because of the impulsiveness in the formation of that wave 3, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our minimum target areas. So that is what I'm watching out on the short term and also on the long term on the Solana chart. On the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 42 mark. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you updated.